Hello everyone. In this lecture we will discuss about modulus of negative number. In the last lecture we discussed about modulus operator and I gave you one example for the negative number. So let's understand how it works. So to calculate a modulus, this is the formula. A mod B equals to, actually this is the way we calculate A minus floor of A divided by B multiply by B. So this is the actual formula for modulus. Using this formula we will solve that problem. So if it is a negative, what will be the answer? So let's understand the floor first. So what I'll do, I'll import math module and let's use a function floor. Here you can see. So what is a floor? Floor is the lowest side of the value. Let's print 10.89. So math dot floor of 10.89 will be 10. So here you can see 10.12, which is again 10. Now let's solve this problem here. So A and B we will take. Let's first use this without decimal value, without negative value, and in C A modulus B. So I'll calculate this with the help of this formula, right? So here it should be A, which is 10 minus, so floor of A divided by B. So let me just comment this part here, floor of 10 divided by 3. I'll print it, which is 3. So 10 divided by 3 is 3.33 and floor value is 3 here. So here it will be 3. Then multiply by B, which is 3. So it will be 10 minus 3 into 3, 9, and the answer will be 1. Okay. So let's print it C. And you can see here, I'll comment this part, it is 1. Now things will change when it is a negative, right? So here let's comment this, uncomment this, and give here negative value. So for floor, when it is a negative value, it is minus 4. Why it is minus 4? Let's do one thing. I'll print the help documentation of this function using help. So I don't have to call it. Remove this. Let's comment this part. So this will print the documentation of this function. Here you can see this function floor, which takes x, return the floor of x as integral. This is the largest integer less than or equals to x. So whatever will be the return value, that should be less than or equals to x. For example, here if it is minus 10 divided by 3, which is minus 3.33, so floor cannot be 3, it should be less than. That's the reason it is returning minus 4. So you can see here, when it is a negative, it will go other side. So minus 4. That is a floor of negative value. Now let's calculate here. When I change this to minus 10, according to this formula, it should be minus 10 and floor of minus 10 divided by 3 is minus 4 multiply by 3, which is b. Here you can see this is the formula. Now here it is minus 10, minus 4 into 3 is minus 12, which is minus 10. So minus minus plus will become plus 12, and here it will be 2. So according to this formula it is 2. Let's test it. So minus 10 mod 3, run it, and you can see it is 2. So this way we can calculate the modulus for the negative value. So you can try here, if it is minus 3, what will be the output? Minus 1. So again here you can fill this with, let's comment, give minus. So floor of minus 10 divided by minus 3 is 3 here. So here let's comment this part. Instead of minus 4 it will be 3. So minus 10 minus, let's change here also. So it will be minus 3. So minus 10 minus 3, 3 into minus 3, which is minus 9, and minus 10 plus 9, 1. Let's print it. No, it should be negative, right? Minus 10. So minus 10 plus 9, so minus 1. And you can see here minus 1. So this way we can calculate. Very simple. We'll explore these things like how to import other modules and what are these functions in coming lecture. As of now you can just understand this way we can include the any module and call the function directly.